Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the descriptive statistics based on R. For this lecture we are going to use the package Wooldridge. So first of all we will install this package Wooldridge. The command to install this package is install dot packages, then within parentheses, within double quotes, we have to write Wooldridge, right? So then we will use the command library and again Wooldridge. Okay, for installing these packages, this R will ask you the CRAN. So you can select any CRAN. I have installed the CRAN as taken as India. Okay, you can take any CRAN for your purpose. Okay, after that, this package is installed for use. Okay, in this package we have several data sets. Okay, let's see how many data sets are there. To see the list, the command is ls for the list of data sets. Ls, then within double quotes we are taking the package Wooldridge, package, then colon Wooldridge. Okay, see, these many data sets are available in this package. You can see these many packages are there in this pack. These many data sets are available in the package Wooldridge. Okay, so for our analysis purpose, we will use the data set affairs. This one, we will use this affairs. Okay, so let's load the data set affair. What is affairs? The command is data affairs, then again package. Which package we are using? Wooldridge. Okay, so this data set is now available for use. Okay, now in this data sets there are several variables. Okay, now let's generate the factors to attach labels. Okay, suppose let's give the name has kids, variable name has kids. Okay, what's that? Let's see. This is to generate the factor. So we are using the command factor. Okay, then affairs. We are taking the factor from the dataset affairs. So we are writing affairs, then with dollar sign. The variable we are taking as kids, comma, labels. We are giving the labels as yes or no. So we are taking it as a vector. Okay, and since it is a string, we are writing it in quotes. We are writing it in quotes. Otherwise, it will take it as a numeric. Okay, let's see. Something is missing. See, one more bracket. Okay, so this is to generate now one more thing. MLab. One more factor we are generating. Okay, let's take it as a vector. And the various levels we are giving to this factor is very happy. Okay, then we are happy, then within quotes, because these are the strings, character strings. Unhappy, then average, then happy, and then very happy. Okay, one more factor we generated. Then let's take the factor marriage. Okay, then I'll tell you how to make a frequency table. Okay, marriage. For this thing, let's take the factor from the data set, obviously appears with $sign, rate. This variable rate marriage is available in the data set, appears in the package voltage. Okay, and let's give the labels as the upper vector mlat. Okay, right? See, now let's see the frequency table and Haskell's. See, this Haskell's, the frequency table. The families which have kids is 430 in the command yes, and those who has no kids is 171. So this is the frequency table. Again, let's see the frequency table for marriage. So for this the command is prop.table. Okay, prop.table. We will make it from table of marriage. Okay, let's see. See, there is a frequency table, marriage. Those who are very unhappy are 0.0266223, and the total of these is 1. So this is coming out as a, you can say the total is 1. So this is in percentages actually. Okay, then we can make the contingency table. For that the command is counts_tab. Okay, equal to counts_tab equal to, we will make it between marriage and Haskell's, the variable names. Okay, marriage comma. Okay, so let's see. See, this is the vertical we are taking, the variable is marriage, and the various levels are very unhappy, unhappy, average, happy, very happy. And the other one is Haskell's, the families which are in category no, and which has the kids are in the category yes. Right, so 3 number describes the number of families who are very unhappy in marriage and have no kids, as well as this 13 describes the number who are very unhappy but has kids. Okay, now see this number 136. This number 136 describes the number of family who are very happy and who has the kids as well. Right, now we can see the pie diagram also. Okay, let's construct the pie diagram of marriage. I am giving the different colors also. Color is equal to gray. I can give it in some sequence. I mean, you know that thing, 0.2, 1, comma, 0.2, and all brackets close. See, this is the pie chart of marriage. These many families are very unhappy, these are happy, these are average, unhappy and very happy. Okay,